Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily duplicate a workspace in Airtable. To do that, go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right of any workspace, and you can go ahead and find the duplicate option there. Click on that. You can go ahead and rename it. So let's say I don't want this to say copy. I can change it by take out the word copy, and I can change this to say, for example, Drew, for example, right? Drew lesson plan organizer. Then click on duplicate, right? You can also choose if you want to duplicate the records and duplicate the comments. It's really up to you. And you can easily toggle these on and off as you desire. Right now, go ahead and click on duplicate app, and it's gonna create it for you with a full-blown duplicate of all the settings and whatever you choose there. And that's it. Once it is done, you can either open it or you can dismiss it. So I'm going to click on open so that you can see. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and duplicate a workspace in Airtable.